Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when Windows 11 Update KB5063878 is not installing. The first step is to start the App Readiness service. To do this, type Services in the Windows search box and click on Services. Now, scroll down and find App Readiness. Double-click on it, set the startup type to Automatic, then click Start, and finally OK. Next, right-click on App Readiness and select Restart. After this, try installing the update again. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click on the Pause Updates option. Wait for a few seconds, then click on Resume Updates. This refreshes the update process and usually fixes the issue. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.